As the first step, prepare a CSV file using Stockpile survey data. I have used two codes for survey data. Stockpile outer points have been marked as base, and top points marked as top. Then all the points import to the Civil 3D. This point group included both base and top survey points. Then I have created another point group as base. Then base points have been selected manually by clicking each base points. Now we have 2 point groups. Then 2 surfaces have been created. One surface created as base surface and other one is compare surface. Base surface created using base points only. Compare surface created with both base and top survey points. Now 2 surfaces created. Now need to again create a tin volume surface and need select base surface and compare surface. Now we move to Analyze tab and select Volume Surface from this. Now you can see volume and other information of our stockpile. Thank you and please subscribe.